Imagine this, you meet someone new, you chat, they casually mention your birth date reveals your life path. They describe your strengths, weaknesses, even your potential future. Sounds like a scene from a movie? This is the intriguing world of numerology. I've always been drawn to ancient wisdom. The idea that numbers hold deeper meaning resonated with me. It's not about predicting the future, it's about understanding yourself. Numerology offers a framework. We can use this framework to navigate our lives with more clarity. Think of it like a map. Your birth date, like a compass, points you toward your life path. This path is not predetermined, it's a direction, a flow. Numerology helps us understand this flow. We can then make choices aligned with our true nature. Let's embark on a journey into the world of numerology. We'll explore its history, we'll uncover the significance of life path numbers, we'll discover how this ancient practice can illuminate our present and guide our future. Numerology is the study of numbers in our lives. It is used to develop a deeper understanding of yourself. It shows your strengths, your weaknesses, the obstacles you need to overcome. It shows your talents, your inner needs, and your emotional reactions. Numerology analyzes various aspects of your existence, like your birth date. It uses a specific set of calculations. These calculations reveal deeper meaning and patterns. These patterns can provide insights into your character and your journey through life. The origins of numerology can be traced back thousands of years. It has roots in various ancient civilizations. These civilizations include Greece, Egypt, China, and India. Pythagoras, the Greek mathematician, is considered the father of Western numerology. Pythagoras believed that numbers were the building blocks of the universe. He saw a divine order in them. He developed a system that assigned numerical values to letters. This system, known as Pythagorean numerology, is still widely used today. In numerology, your life path number holds special significance. It is calculated using your birth date. It acts like a blueprint. This blueprint reveals your purpose in this lifetime. Think of it as your soul's roadmap. Your life path number unveils your innate talents, your strengths, and your weaknesses. It sheds light on the opportunities and challenges you might encounter. Understanding your life path number can provide invaluable insights. These insights help you make informed decisions. They help you align with your true calling. There are 9 single-digit life path numbers, each associated with specific traits and energies. Let's delve into each life path number. We'll explore its unique characteristics and the paths it might illuminate. Remember, these are just starting points. Your individual journey is shaped by various factors. Numerology provides a framework for understanding your life's possibilities. Individuals with life path number 1 are natural-born leaders. They are independent, ambitious, and driven to succeed. They possess a pioneering spirit. They are often drawn to leadership roles. They excel in initiating new projects and inspiring others. Strengths: independent, courageous, confident, natural leaders. Challenges can be domineering, impatient, or struggle with taking direction. 1S are encouraged to embrace their leadership qualities. They should trust their instincts. They should pursue their goals with unwavering determination. Section 5. The Diplomat's Path, Life Path number 2. Those on life path number 2 are peacemakers and collaborators. They are diplomatic, empathetic, and strive for harmony in their relationships. They excel in mediating conflicts and possess a natural ability to bring people together. Their strengths include being diplomatic, tactful, cooperative, and understanding. However, they can be overly sensitive, avoid conflict, or struggle to assert themselves. Those with the number 2 thrive in environments that value teamwork and diplomacy. They are encouraged to use their skills to build bridges and foster understanding. Section 6. The Creative Force Life Path number 3. Individuals with life path number 3 are creative, expressive, and possess a zest for life. They are natural storytellers and communicate their thoughts and emotions with passion and charisma. Their strengths are being creative, optimistic, communicative, and charming. However, they can be scattered, prone to drama, or struggle with discipline. 3s are encouraged to embrace their creativity, express themselves authentically, and bring joy to the world. Section 7. The Builder's Path, Life Path number 4. Life Path number 4. Individuals are grounded, practical, and value stability. They are hardworking, reliable, and possess a strong sense of responsibility. Their strengths are being practical, reliable, hardworking, and disciplined. However, they can be rigid, stubborn, or resistant to change. 4s excel in roles that require structure and organization. They are encouraged to use their skills to create a solid foundation for themselves and others. Section 8. The Free Spirit's Path, Life Path number 5. Individuals with life path number 5 are adventurous, freedom-loving, and constantly seeking new experiences. They are adaptable, resourceful, and thrive on change. Their strengths include being adventurous, versatile, adaptable, and quick-witted. However, they can be restless, impulsive, or struggle with commitment. 5s need freedom and variety to thrive. They are encouraged to embrace their adventurous spirit and explore different paths in life. Section 9. The Nurturer's Path, Life Path, number 6. Those on life path number 6 are compassionate, nurturing, and possess a strong sense of responsibility for others. They are natural caregivers. They find fulfillment in helping and supporting those around them. Their strengths are being compassionate, nurturing, responsible, and supportive. Challenges they may face include being overly self-sacrificing, taking on too much responsibility, or struggling with setting boundaries. 6s thrive in roles where they can make a positive impact on others. They are encouraged to use their nurturing qualities to create a harmonious and loving environment. Section 10. The Seeker's Path, Life Path. Number 7. Life Path number 7. Individuals are introspective, analytical, and driven by a thirst for knowledge and understanding. They are natural seekers. They often delve into spiritual or philosophical pursuits. Their strengths are being analytical, intuitive, wise, and insightful. However, they can be introverted, overly analytical, or struggle with trusting their intuition. 7s are encouraged to embrace their intuition, trust their inner wisdom, and seek knowledge to gain a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Section 11. The Manifestor's Path, Life Path. Number 8. Individuals with life path number 8 are ambitious, powerful, and possess a natural talent for manifesting their goals. They are natural leaders. They often excel in business or entrepreneurship. Strengths include being ambitious, confident, practical, and successful. However, challenges can be materialistic tendencies, a hunger for power, or struggles with work-life balance. 8s are encouraged to use their power and influence responsibly, create abundance for themselves and others, and find fulfillment in both their material and spiritual pursuits. Section 12. The Humanitarian's Path, Life Path. Number 9. Those on life path number 9 are compassionate, humanitarian, and possess a deep understanding of the human condition. They are driven by a desire to make a positive impact on the world. They often dedicate themselves to causes greater than themselves. Strengths: compassionate, humanitarian, creative, and understanding. Challenges: can be overly idealistic, struggle with practicality, or give too much of themselves. 9s are encouraged to use their compassion and understanding to make a difference in the world. They should embrace their creative talents to inspire and uplift others. Section 13. Numerology in Action, Navigating Life's Crossroads. Imagine this. You're at a crossroads in your career. You're considering a major change. Understanding your life path number can provide clarity. It can guide you toward the path that aligns with your strengths and purpose. For example, a life path 1 individual, a natural leader, might be drawn to starting their own business. A life path 2 individual might excel in a diplomatic role, perhaps in international relations. Numerology offers a framework for understanding these inclinations, but it's not just about career choices. Numerology can provide insights into your relationships, your strengths, and your weaknesses. It can help you understand your life's purpose. It can even guide you toward a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. Section 14. Your life, your numbers. Embracing the journey. Remember, numerology is not about predicting a fixed destiny. It's about understanding your potential, your strengths, and the energies surrounding you. It's a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. So, as you delve into the world of numerology, approach it with an open mind and a sense of curiosity. Explore the meanings behind your numbers. See how they resonate with your experiences and aspirations. Remember, you are the author of your life story. Numerology is simply a guide, offering insights and illuminating the path ahead. Embrace the journey. Trust your intuition, and let the wisdom of numbers guide you toward a more fulfilling and meaningful life. What will your numbers reveal about you? The journey of self-discovery awaits.